In this video, I will show how to find out the formula A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T. This is an important formula used in solving the problems of compound interest, where A equals to amount, P equals to principal, R equals to rate of interest per annum, and T equals to time in years. Now, simple interest at the end of first year is P into R into 1 by 100. Therefore, amount at the end of first year will be P plus I1. It becomes P plus PR by 100. Interest at the end of second year will be A1 into R into 1 by 100. And amount at the end of second year will be A1 plus I2. It becomes A1 plus A1 into R by 100. So it becomes A1 into 1 plus R by 100. Now putting the value of A1, we get P plus PR by 100 into 1 plus R by 100. Simplifying this, we get P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 2. Therefore, amount at the end of second year is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 2. Similarly, amount at the end of third year will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3. If we continue like this, at the end of T years, amount will be AT equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power T.